How's everybody doing? This is Travis from Carter Cow Capital, and this is your Forex Traders Tip today. Now, what we're going to end up focusing in on is risk reward. But I'm going to preface by saying this: Forex trading is not gambling unless you end up having a mindset that you're going to end up gambling with your own money. Now, if you're part of the people that just basically say that they don't want to gamble with their own money, please stop, cut off this video, go somewhere else. Okay, that's something that we don't do here. Understand that we end up taking educated guesses on every trade that we end up taking. The reason why we take those educated guesses is because we put in the time and the education to be able to know that we use risk to reward ratios to be able to give us the best probability chance to be able to win when it comes down to all of the trades that we end up taking. That's one of the factors that we look at. So let's talk about this in general. If you end up trading to where you end up having a one-to-one risk reward, which means that you end up risking 100 to be able to make 100, you have to be able to win at least 60% of your trades to be able to be profitable. Now, understand that some people do that very well. Sometimes they can be able to say, hey, I'm going to risk 100 to make 100, and then bam, I'm okay because I'm a high percentage trader. That's great. I'm just not one of those people, and I win on a very high percentage. I like to be able to trade to where I can be able to raise my reward compared to my actual risk. So let's talk about 1 to 2s. When you trade a 1 to 2, that means that, let's say if you're risking 100 to make 200, that means that you're going after, or you're basically saying that you have to win at least 40% of your chances to be able to win money. However, if you end up going 1 to 3, where you're saying that all you have to do is just win 30% of the time, you can lose 70% of the time, or you can lose 7 trades out of 10 and win 3, you can still be able to make money. Now think about that. Let's think about how powerful that actually is. If you're going toward rewards that are 3 times higher than what your actual risk is, that doesn't necessarily mean that you're going to lose 7 of them. It just means that you can lose 7 and still be able to make money by being able to win 3 trades that basically go through the full extent for what you're actually going after. By being able to have that power, by being able to have that knowledge and being able to say, hey, I only want to look at the trades that's going to give me a higher reward versus the risk that I'm going to end up taking, will allow you to be able to take out some of the bad trades that are not giving you that trading opportunity. Now, by being selective, it allows you to be able to only find the best trades that fit within a certain parameter, plus have that reward versus risk value and be able to put you into the best situation to be able to trade. So understand this: Forex trading is not gambling. Use risk versus reward to your advantage, and you will always be placing yourself into a better position to be able to succeed. Now, if I provided value for you in this video, please make sure that you like, share, and subscribe to all of what we end up doing, including Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube. And also, please make sure that you end up placing in a comment on what risk reward ratio that you actually end up using for your overall trading. Until then, I'll see you tomorrow for another Forex Traders Tip.